Hey there! So we have an interesting problem to tackle today. The problem at hand involves working with a data frame and selecting specific columns based on certain criteria. In this case, we want to select columns that contain the word cases in their names, as well as numeric columns. It's a common situation that many data analysts and scientists encounter when dealing with large datasets. Now, let's delve into the solution for this problem using data.table syntax. In the provided solution, we first set up a sample data frame called QX, with columns named accordingly. By using the sdcols equals patterns cases argument in the data.table, we are able to select columns with cases in their names. This approach allows us to filter out and display only the desired columns efficiently, providing a neat and concise output. Continuing with the solution, we utilize the sdcols is.numeric approach to further filter the columns based on their data type. This method enables us to specifically target and display columns that are numeric, meeting the additional criteria we set. It's a handy technique to streamline the data selection process and focus on the relevant information within the data frame. Expanding on the solution, we introduce a more complex scenario where we filter for columns containing cases in their names, which are numeric but not integers. By combining logical conditions using grepl and sapply, we create a vector to identify and select columns meeting the specified criteria. This advanced filtering mechanism showcases the flexibility and power of data.table syntax in handling diverse data selection requirements effectively. In summary, we've explored how to efficiently select columns based on specific criteria within a data frame using data.table syntax. By leveraging functionalities such as patterns, is.numeric, and logical conditions, we've demonstrated the versatility and precision that data.table offers for data manipulation tasks. I hope you found this solution insightful and helpful for your data analysis endeavors. Remember to subscribe, like, and comment below with your thoughts. See you next time.